everybody, it's Adele from Chalk to Crafts, and I'm here with my nephews and nieces in Austin, Texas. I've got Dylan on the camera, and this is my buddy Drew right here. And I'm going to teach him how to do this, and later today we will do a video with him doing it. So he picked this transfer, or maybe I did, and then he picked the colors. And so the first thing you do is you peel it off. And remember, you want to de-stickify it, so you kind of put it on some lint clothes so it's not as sticky and hard to pull off. And then the paste is going to go everywhere where you see the clear here. So are you listening, Drew? Because this is important, because you're going to be doing it next, okay? All right, so we're going to line it up on here. And the important thing here is to make sure that this doesn't have any air bubbles where the paste is going to be going. So that's the part I'm going to push down. And you can use a big squeegee like Drew's getting ready to grab here. I'll let you do it, Drew. Start at the top and just use the squeegee like that and pull down. You hear the popping? Can you feel it? So that's getting all the air bubbles out of the transfer. You think you got them now? Mm-hmm. Okay. All right, next we've already picked and stirred up our paste. And Drew, which color did you tell me you wanted this one to be?
I think it was this color.
The light blue?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm just gonna get on here and try to follow along here. And let me turn the volume down, hold on. Hold on a second. There you go. All right. So we're a little slower on that feed. So, okay, this is the one. So we're gonna pull the paste up onto our squeegee here, and we're just gonna push down the paste into the squeegee, into the silk screen. And then we're going to clean up.
It kind of blends in.
Yeah, come look, Drew. But here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna scrape up the extra. See that?
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Cool.
Cool? Okay. Now, I'm going to show you. We're going to just pull it up a little bit. So, go ahead and do that. Grab it on these two ends and just pull it up to where it shows the words. Sorry, I should have fixed the corners. Oh, good. That looks cool, huh? Ooh, I love it. Okay, next we're gonna do the rooster, and Drew had me pick some crazy colors here. So, what did you say now? You tell me what to do.
The red goes on the tail.
Red on the tail. And where else am I putting red?
I don't know.
On the head, maybe?
Sure.
The head and the tail. We're following Drew's rules here. Okay, and then what else are we painting the rooster? How pasting? How far on the tail? Like right there?
Yeah.
Or farther?
And then we're gonna have some yellow around here.
Yellow down there?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure how this rooster's gonna turn out, but we're going with it. Okay, down here? Where? Show me where.
Like
Here? Okay, so we're gonna blend that in a little bit with the red. So we're just gonna push down. Okay, now what? And I'm gonna scrape this off and put it somewhere else.
We're gonna put some more yellow down there.
On the feet?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have.
So now I have to put this somewhere else.
The rest on there is on orange.
Orange? Okay. Let me grab the orange. Alright, so we're just gonna do orange here. I'm gonna mix it a little bit with the red. Right? Is that what you wanted? Okay. Alright, let's scrape it all off with one big squeegee. And then we'll pull it up. this is going to be a squeegee we don't reuse. Okay, ready? Pull it. What? All right, good choices, Drew. I like it. Pretty cool. All right, that is really sticky. We should have stickified that one a little better. All right, now we're gonna do this part. And that color is, that's the one you want to use for all of the words? Okay.
I'm gonna try to put some of this.
Oh, some of that one too? Where?
I want both of them on there and blue up there and then the lighter blue down there.
Dark blue here and then light blue there.
And
Okay.
then a little bit of both on there.
Okay. So we're doing dark blue here, right? Is that what you said? Okay. And then dark blue here,
A little bit of dark.
a little bit of dark blue, and then we're gonna come back over it with light blue. Okay, we can do that. Oops, I went into that. We'll go over it with the other one. Okay, and now we're gonna take the light blue, right? And oh, I put it in orange. That was a bad move. Here, we'll just use this one. It's all right. All right, we're gonna go over it with the light blue, right, on this bottom one. And then you want a little bit of, what do you want, a streak or?
Just a line.
Huh?
Just 2 wipes.
2 wipes? I don't know what you mean by 2 wipes.
Just
You tell me.
one towards the C and one towards the S.
What? Like this? Okay, I don't know what he's doing, but we're gonna go with it. It could be really cool. Do you want any of the L or no?
That's fine.
Okay, you ready? Oh, cool. So I think because we got the lighter one on too late, I think it's stuck with the, although it is lighter, look. Can you see that on the camera? Excellent job. Next up, Drew is going to do the buffalo. So that's it. We gotta go clean up my mess. Thanks, everybody. Hey, everybody, if you like this video, please click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon. And don't forget to visit my website. Thank you.